Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import Mixamo animations into Unity. Go to mixamo.com and sign in with your Adobe account. Make sure your character is exported as an FBX file. In my case, I'm using a simple stick FBX character with a humanoid structure. Your character should be in a T-pose or close to it, and it must not already have animations. Drag and drop your FBX file into Mixamo. Mixamo will ask you to place markers on key body parts like the chin, wrists, elbows, knees, and groin. Once that's done, click Next and let Mixamo auto-rig your character. After a few seconds, your stick character is fully rigged and ready for animation. Now comes the fun part. Browse through the animation library on the left side. Click on different animations to preview how they look on your character. You can adjust settings like speed, mirroring, or arm space to fine-tune the motion. Experiment with different animations until you find one you like. Once you've selected an animation, click the download button. Set the format to FBX for Unity. Make sure skin is set to without skin, since we only need the animation. Leave the frame rate at 30 frames per second, then click download. Open your Unity project. If you already imported your stick FBX model, great. Now drag the downloaded Mixamo animation FBX into your assets folder. Select your stick character in the scene. Make sure it already has an animator component assigned. Open the animator window, then drag the Mixamo animation clip into it. Connect the animation to the entry node or set it as the default state. Press play, and your stick character should now be animated. But it just play one time. Go back to Animator and select the animation, find the loop property and enable it. Play again and you will see character playing with loop animation. And that's it. You've successfully imported a Mixamo animation into Unity and connected it to your character. If this helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Unity tutorials, and comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching.